Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandro. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong June 25. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung gusto mo na bang makapiling ang Panginoon. Now, this isn't a threat, no? It's a genuine question na kung ikaw, papipiliin ngayon, would you like to depart right away para makapiling mo si God? It's a very hard question. I, personally, myself, don't know the answer to that, no? Because I have my loved ones here. I value them very much. But I would love to be in company with God. Nothing more beats that. But, we have our responsibilities here. That is why it is important to know our why. Kung bakit tayo bumabangon, kung bakit tayo gumigising, kung bakit tayo nagpupursige sa buhay. What is our purpose? What is the purpose given to us by God? Makikita natin ito sa Philippians chapter 1 verses 21 to 24. Na nagsasabing, "For to me, to live is Christ and to die is gain. If I am to go on living in the body, this will mean fruitful labor for me. Yet what shall I choose? I do not know. I am torn between the two. I desire to depart and be with Christ, which is better by far. But it is more necessary for you that I remain in the body." Ngayon, kailangan ng context. These verses were written and said by Apostle Paul. Or rather said by Apostle Paul. Ito po yung sagot niya nung tinanong siya kung gusto niya na bang makapiling ang Panginoon. Sabi niya, oo, gusto ko. Pero may kailangan pa akong gawin dito. Kailangan pa ako ng mga tao dito. Because Paul needed to spread the word. That is his mission. That is his why. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit siya nagpupursige. Kung bakit niya gusto pang magstay sa mundong ibabaw. And that's very, very life-changing perspective. Kasi tayo, bakit nga ba tayo bumabangon araw-araw? Do we have the same profound reason? Yes. In everything we do, we must honor Christ. And that also comes with discipling all nations and doing everything in excellence. Expanding His kingdom step by step. So, habang tayo'y nandito pa sa mundo, may plano pa sa atin yung Panginoon. And we should stick to that plan. We should do everything we can so that we can be an instrument for His Word, for His teachings, and for His love. Napakasarap isipin na ikaw, tayo, ay magiging ambassador ni Kristo. Sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid natin, bait mo. Ganyan pala kapag naniniwala at nananampalataya sa Panginoon. Alam mo kung paano magbigay ng pagmamahal, pag-aaruga, pagmamalasakit sa ngalan ng Panginoon. And doing that, doing our reason for living, is so fulfilling. Lalong-lalo na kung yung reason mo for living is si Christ. Glory to God talaga. So, we should do our best. Whatever it may be that God has blessed us with, maaring magaling ka sa public speaking, magaling ka sa math, science, excel in it. Do everything you can to honor God. Para pag ikaw ay kilala ka nila bilang believer of Christ. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.